Hello my people. Yeah, so today I want to show you how to get the quality sound from this keyboard. Yeah, when you are capturing a video, okay? Yeah, so first of all, you will need to have this. You need to have this. This is a printer cable. This is a printer cable. Are you seeing it? It is a printer cable. You need to have this one. Hope you are seeing it on the screen. Yeah, on the screen it is there. Yeah, so you need to have this one. Another thing, you need to have this OTG connector. Let us get it. Are you seeing this OTG connector? Hope you are seeing it on the screen. On the screen you are seeing it. So let me first show you before I connect on this. When I press sound now, hope you are feeling the echo. This place is silent, but when I try to play the keyboard, let me show you and you be able to witness. Okay? The sound is not clear. I'm quite sure the sound is not clear. You are feeling this echo, the sound, the noise. So let us use this one and we see. So let me request my cameraman to come close. I show you. Cameraman come close, show it, guys. So this one, I'll insert it here. Okay? So when I finish, I'll get this cable. Are you seeing this OTG connector? For those who are using Android mobile phones, there are OTG connectors for your mobile. So this is iPhone OTG connector. I'll insert it here. Hope you are seeing. So I'll get my mobile. Are you seeing this mobile? I'll go to video. This is photo. So I'll go to video. So when I go to video, I'll insert this one. Are you seeing? Like this. So then I'll capture the video. The sound will be perfect. Let us see this one. Okay.